Welcome back to MSN Construction YouTube channel. In today's session we'll consider about epoxy-coated rebar used in construction industry. Epoxy-coated rebar is used in construction primarily to prevent corrosion, especially in environments where the structure is exposed to moisture, chlorides like de-icing salts or marine conditions or aggressive chemicals. Here's a breakdown of why it's used. 1. Corrosion resistance. Steel reinforcement can corrode when exposed to water and oxygen, especially with the presence of salts. The epoxy coating acts as a barrier between the steel and corrosive elements, significantly slowing down rust formation. 2. Extended service life. Corrosion can weaken concrete structures over time. Using epoxy-coated rebar helps extend the lifespan of structures like bridges, parking garages, and marine facilities. 3. Cost-effective in the long run. Although more expensive upfront than black uncoated rebar, the reduced maintenance and longer durability can lead to lower life cycle costs. 4. Used in aggressive environments. Common in areas with high humidity, saltwater exposure, or where de-icing salts are heavily used, e.g., highways and coastal regions. 5. Standardized protection. Epoxy-coated rebar is manufactured under ASTM standards, e.g., ASTM A775, ensuring quality and consistency in corrosion protection. Thanks for watching. With a new video session we'll meet up again. Till then stay tuned and subscribe my channel, MSN Construction. Have a nice day.